In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have your ClickUp workspace connected to Teams, so you can keep tasks and conversations in sync without switching tabs all day. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into the workspace where you want the integration to live. If you work in multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. It also helps to confirm you have permission to add apps in this workspace. If your company restricts integrations, you may need an admin to approve it. Next, look for the More option in the ClickUp interface. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an ellipsis or a menu that expands additional options. Click that to reveal tools you don't see in the main sidebar. From there, choose Apps. This opens ClickUp's app directory where all available integrations are listed. Think of this as the central hub for connecting ClickUp to your favorite tools. You can browse categories, but using search is the fastest way to find what you need. In the search bar, type Microsoft. You should see the Microsoft Teams integration appear. Click into it to review what it does. Typically, this integration lets you receive task notifications in Teams, create or link tasks from conversations, and keep teammates aligned where they're already chatting. If that matches what you're looking for, you're ready to connect. Click Connect. A new window will open for Microsoft authentication. Enter your Microsoft account email and complete the sign-in process. Make sure you use the same work or school account associated with your team's organization so permissions line up correctly. You may be asked to grant access on behalf of your organization. Read the prompt so you understand what data is being shared. If you see an admin approval message, that simply means your IT team needs to allow the app reach out to them and then return to the screen once it's enabled. If the window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for ClickUp. When sign-in completes, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp and should see a confirmation that Microsoft Teams is connected. That's it. To recap, open ClickUp, select More, go to Apps, search for Microsoft, then connect and sign in with your Microsoft account. From here, your workspace is integrated with Teams, so you can collaborate faster and keep tasks moving without missing a beat.